What's up, everybody? Welcome to my open house here in Paramus, New Jersey, Bergen County. This is 66 Knollwood Drive in Paramus. I just concluded my open house. I've tried to shoot this video a few times, and every time I try to shoot the video, multiple families show up, but I think we're done for the day. So I wanted to, before I go pick up my open house signs, I wanted to give everybody that couldn't get here today or any other weekend that we've had an open house a little tour. So let's start. So this is brand new construction, new foundation. You're looking at 6 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms. The lot is just under 10,000 square feet and the living space is 5,500 square feet. Let's go take a look. Welcome home. Absolutely beautiful home. Here we go, entering into the foyer. That shows you just how many people were here today. We went through all of our shoe covers, as you can see. So standing right inside the front door in the foyer, give you a little view from right inside the front door. You can see the dining room area to our right. You have your kitchen, little breakfast nook there. And you have your living space here. So let's start in the living space. We have fully electric fireplace. Little section for a wet bar. And this chandelier up here, believe it or not, there's a key upstairs that you turn, and that chandelier comes all the way down to the ground level so that you can change light bulbs, you can clean the fixture, which is amazing. So no need for ladders or leaning over the railing. Here's our dining room section. As you can see, it's about, I want to say it's just after 5 p.m. in New Jersey, late August. And even though the sun's starting to go down, ample sunlight in this home. Very, very bright home. So it's a very open layout. However, all the different, like the living room area, the dining room area, as open as it is, which I'm sure most people love, it still has an intimate feeling to it. The foyer has 20-foot ceilings. I believe they might even be 22. So very high ceilings in the foyer. Let's take a look in the kitchen. Let me just check my little, make sure that this is working. So, okay, that was my little sign-in sheet. So basically we have 2 sinks in here. One on the island and one off to the side over here, overlooking the backyard. So from this area right here where I'm standing, you can actually see almost everything on the first floor of this home. So let's take a walk back here. We have basically a 1-bedroom suite, is at least the way it's staged. It can also be used as a second living area, but it's a nice little 1-bedroom suite. There's 1 bedroom on the first floor and 1.5 bathrooms. So this is the 1 bedroom on the first floor. The other 5 are upstairs, overlooking the backyard. We have our closet space here, and we have our, I don't know why this is off, but we have our 1 full bathroom on the first floor. All right. We try to speed this up a little bit. I got to go pick up my signs. So let's go into the backyard. So beautiful backyard. I don't know if you can see off in the distance if it comes up on camera, but there's a beautiful tree house built into that tree just on the other side, 2 backyards away. That's pretty spectacular. So here's our backyard. I'm gonna walk back here so we can try to get you guys a full view of the back of the home. Absolutely beautiful home on an even more beautiful day. So these window wells here, these 2 window wells, there's still little touches being done to the house. They have gates, basically little fencing that goes around them that basically looks like these 2 have already been installed, as you can see. The other 2 are currently located in the garage, which we're about to go into, and those will be installed as well. So there will be 4 in total for the window wells to the basement. All right, back inside. Let's lock this up before I forget. Okay, Behind these doors, we have a pantry. So you have a pantry right here. Down this hallway to the right, we have our half bathroom. So our half bathroom is right here. Coat closet. Off to my left here. They still have to install the rod. Excuse that, sorry about that. Some rods. This interesting room right here was going to be a mud room, being we're right next to the 2-car garage, but the builders left it open for now in case whoever purchases the home might want a bigger pantry, they might want a mud room, or I'm sure people can think of other creative ways to use this space. But the most practical thing I think for most people might be a mud room, being it's right next to the 2-car garage. Right here, low battery. Let's hope I can get through this tour. All right, so that's floor number 1. Let's head down to the basement. Behind this door right here, located right next to the steps in the living space. Hardwood floors. Wait till you see the floor of this basement. Finished basement, absolutely gorgeous gleaming floors. Very big space down here. Off to my right, we have the boiler room. Believe it or not, you have a sub pump. There are 4 sub pumps in this home, which is pretty amazing. Typically homes have 1 or 2. This home has 4, and there's 1 in each corner of the basement. So there's 1 tucked behind this door right here. There is also 1 right here. And then the 4th one is in potentially my favorite room of the home, which is the entertainment room. So this room is already pre-wired for a projector, a flat panel. Everything is kind of plug and play in here. We even have up in the corner, all 4 corners, the cutouts for and the wiring for speakers. The 4th sub pump is behind this door right here. And they even did an awesome job painting it a very dark blue color. As you can see, we're a little bit underground, so there's not going to be a ton of natural light that gets down here. So it would be ideal for entertaining for a movie room. And the darker walls definitely makes that even more possible. All right, let's go down the little hallway here. We have a little closet, not completely finished. They still have to put the doorknobs on, the shelving and the rods, which I'm sure you saw. A lot of that is located currently in the garage. Will most likely be done this week. This is the full bathroom. Semi-European style shower. So here's your full bathroom. All right, that is the basement. Let's head up to the top floor. I'm hoping A, my battery doesn't die, and B, I have enough memory in my phone to record this whole video. I've literally tried to shoot this video about 4 or 5 times over the past few hours, but I think we might get it in this time. All right, going all the way upstairs. Here's that little switch I was talking about that brings this chandelier all the way up and down for easy access for cleaning and light bulb change. As you can see, absolutely spectacular view from the top of the stairs down to the living room area and the fireplace. This is what it looks like from the top of the stairs. There are 2 bedrooms on this side. The master bedroom suite is right in the middle, and the other 2 bedrooms are on the other side. So take a quick look in these 2 bedrooms. Very similar closets. This one is a little bit bigger than the one we're about to go into. I'll take you in there before we actually go into the shared bathroom. So this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. Similar closet, just a little smaller room, little smaller closet. And then right between these 2 bedrooms is the bathroom. 2 sinks. Excellent job with the accents and the coloring, and the builder did an absolutely fantastic job in this home. Let's pick up this little shoe cover over here that fell off somebody's foot. And let's first start actually at the Jack and Jill. So these are the 2 bedrooms on the other side. They have a shared bathroom. This room has a walk-in closet, shared bathroom, 1 sink, and then the other shared bedroom has a nice closet, but it's not walk-in. It's just a little bit smaller. So I guess the kids can kind of draw straws to see who gets the walk-in closet. Washer and dryer hookup. It's basically right in here. A lot of space. It can also be put downstairs if need be, but I would think most people would choose to not bring their clothes up and down the stairs every single day or every single week. Master bedroom suite. Let me back up. Here's the entrance. To my right, we're gonna go into the master bathroom. So you have your full shower, very large. You have your tub. I don't know why this is off. I don't know why this is, there we go. Sorry about that. So awesome mirrors. Let's go into the master suite walk-in closet. Ginormous closet. Amazing job they did with the shelving and all the hardware. The hardware on this home, if you were here, very, very high end. They definitely did a great job with the hardware throughout this home. Here is the master bedroom. As you can see, the accent lighting around the top of all the bedrooms is a great touch. So very large. This bedroom, as you can see out the back window, faces the backyard. You can see all the way on the other side of this, the second backyard. There's a tree house in that tree. I don't know why I want you guys to see that so much, but it is a really awesome tree house. So your backyard's right here. Your attic is right up there. And I believe we are done with the tour. What are we, 12 minutes in? All right, I want to finish this tour back outside the home where we started. Hopefully I didn't do too terrible of a job. And I'll spare you guys coming around the neighborhood to go pick up all of our open house signs. And somebody's barbecuing, it smells delicious. So beautiful, quiet roads, very close to Route 4. The location of this home is absolutely spectacular. Great neighborhood, low taxes for Bergen County. An absolutely gorgeous home. Once again, I'm here at 66 Knollwood Drive in Paramus, New Jersey. And let me see if I can can I flip the camera around? I don't think I can flip the camera around. But if anybody has any questions, any comments, any concerns whatsoever, please feel free to email me at william.james@exprealty.com. You can also email me at billy@richkim.com. That's my amazing real estate team here in Bergen County. You can also find me on Instagram at I am Billy James. That's IAMBILLYJAMES. I'd love to connect with you, answer any questions, and hopefully build relationships with awesome people. So until then, everybody enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Hope you have an excellent and blessed week. I am gonna start shutting off all the lights, turning off the air, and go pick up my signs and get home to walk my dog. Thank you for joining me on the tour, everybody. Have a great week. Ciao.